Long ago, the samurai of ancient Japan grasped a deep truth about living well. A meaningful life isn't forged solely from monumental triumphs or rare moments of glory. It's crafted through the quiet, consistent actions we perform every single day, without exception. These modest disciplines, carried out with true intention and sincerity, form the very core of our character and shape who we become. Today, I'd like to reveal to you 12 timeless habits drawn from the heart of Japanese wisdom that have profoundly yet subtly reshaped my everyday existence. These aren't elaborate rituals or exclusive secrets reserved for the elite. They are straightforward practices passed down from my grandparents' generation, still observed by temple monks today, and once regarded by samurai as vital to their disciplined path. If you're seeking even a modest enhancement in your own life, I invite you to remain with me until the very end. 1. Awaken with the dawn. The samurai embrace this as a cornerstone of self-mastery, often rising in the pre-dawn hours. There's profound wisdom in why these warriors began their days so early. In those serene moments before the world stirs, silence reigns supreme. Your thoughts stay clear and undisturbed, like a still pond reflecting the sky perfectly. Ancient writings describe this early morning quiet as a sacred window when the mind is sharpest and resolve is unbreakable. By rising with the sun, you're not just adding time to your day, you're seizing the calmest, most potent hours for your own growth. You start grounded in peace instead of plunging headlong into the day's frenzy. 2. Welcome the fresh morning breeze. Right after rising, my ritual is to throw open the window and step into the crisp air. Even on chilly mornings when it stings the skin, I pause there and inhale deeply, fully. In Japanese tradition, this bond with the elements is a reminder of our unity with the world around us. We're not apart from nature, but woven into it. The air overnight, cleansed while humanity rests, feels like a pure offering for those who rise in time to embrace it. This brief connection awakens a sense of vitality and sparks immediate gratitude, long before any accomplishment of the day. It grounds me in the simple miracle of being here, breathing. 3. Tidy your surroundings. There's a timeless Zen teaching: before awakening, clean the floor. After awakening, clean the floor still. I used to dismiss tidying as pointless drudgery. My space was messy, and truthfully, my thoughts followed suit. But discovering what temple dwellers have practiced for ages changed everything. The outer order mirrors the inner state. As you straighten your environment, you're simultaneously clarifying your mind and uplifting your spirit. In monasteries, novices dedicate years primarily to sweeping and polishing, not as drudgery, but as profound training in mindfulness. They discover that any task, no matter how ordinary, performed with complete focus, transforms into deep meditation. Now, I make cleaning my space a morning priority, not out of obligation, but because it sets a clear, focused tone for everything ahead. 4. Embrace purification in modest duties. This might surprise some, but I've come to cherish the act of thoroughly cleaning the bathroom, even the most unglamorous parts. In Japan, there's a long-standing view that willingly tending to the humblest, dirtiest tasks builds true humility and invites positive energy and fortune. Numerous accomplished leaders openly credit this mindset. Temples often guide their brightest pupils towards such roles to foster character. The samurai knew that genuine strength shuns no labor, no matter how lowly. Approaching even distasteful chores with earnest respect trains the heart to honor dignity everywhere. Since adopting this, I've sensed gentle shifts in my connections with others, in opportunities arising. It has softened my resistance to the unavoidable. 5. Honor the path of tea. Every morning I mindfully prepare and savor matcha the traditional way. This goes beyond mere beverage. It's a personal ceremony of presence, known as chado, the way of tea. It reveals profound beauty in deliberate, unhurried motions and anchors us firmly in now. I attune to the whisk's gentle rhythm in the bowl, observe the vibrant foam rising, cradle the warm vessel in both palms, and sip with awareness. The revered 16th century Master Sen no Rikyu taught that tea ceremony is simply this: heat the water, whisk the powder, and drink with care. Nothing more, yet within that lies the essence of life. Adopting this quiet ritual has dissolved my former morning restlessness. Those swirling worries upon waking have settled into stillness. Any comforting hot drink can serve, if approached with full presence. 6. Stroll beneath the rising light. Samurai incorporated mindful walking as a means to sharpen awareness and steady the spirit ahead of daily trials. I carry on this legacy with a gentle dawn promenade. As early rays touch the skin, the body naturally boosts mood-enhancing chemicals, leaving you brighter and more optimistic. Yet beyond biology, the ancients recognized a deeper link. Slow, intentional steps reconnect mind to body, body to ground. Distance isn't the goal. Even a quarter hour suffices. The true value lies in full immersion in each moment. 7. Arrange your footwear neatly. From childhood, my mother instilled, always align your shoes properly. In Japanese homes, we remove outdoor shoes upon entry, placing them tidily, toes facing outward for easy departure. This minor detail may appear trivial, yet Samurai AI teachings held that care in trivial matters predicts mastery in grand ones. Neglecting small alignments signals broader shortcuts. Meticulous attention in the mundane forges unbreakable discipline for life's greater challenges. This simple habit has reinforced in me the power of unwavering consistency across all scales. 8. Awaken the body purposefully. Japan has long cherished Ragyo Taiso. These radio-guided calisthenics performed nationwide for nearly a century. In mere minutes, a sequence of gentle movements awakens and balances the whole form. Samurai honed their physiques not for appearance, but for unwavering preparedness. An untended body limits potential. A cared-for one becomes a faithful ally in pursuit of purpose. I avoid complex regimens. What endures is daily, faithful motion. Even brief, intentional activity, compounded over time, yields extraordinary resilience and vitality. 9. Voice thanks before partaking. Prior to each meal, I utter itadakimasu. This phrase, humbly meaning I receive, honors far more than words suggest. It acknowledges every contributor, growers in the fields, preparers in kitchens, and the lives surrendered to sustain ours. Eating transcends mere fueling. It's communion in life's vast cycle of gift and receipt. Once I spoke it routinely, without depth. Now, pausing to truly feel its resonance enhances every flavor, infusing nourishment with heartfelt appreciation. 10. Immerse in restorative waters. Those living abroad from Japan frequently lament missing the deep evening soak most. Villages centered around bathhouses, onsen springs hold sacred status. Hot immersion melts accumulated tensions, easing body and soothing soul. In my hardest seasons, when burdens weighed heaviest, the bath provided silent refuge, demanding nothing, offering only enveloping warmth and renewal. Sleep arrives gentler afterward. This unassuming tradit. Ion has anchored me through storms more than words can convey. 11. Restore all to its rightful spot. In Chado, post-ceremony demands precise return of every item to its origin. No oversight, no disarray. I extend this to my daily clothes. Anything used finds its home before rest. Initially challenging, it now maintains effortless order. Mornings greet me with harmony, not clutter. The insight is profound. Closures carry weight equal to openings. Mindful endings pave smoother paths for fresh beginnings. 12. Immerse in reading before repose. Samurai were scholars as much as swordsmen. The pen held parity with the blade in cultivating the whole self. Each night, I dedicate a quiet quarter hour or more to reading, philosophy, histories, or tales that uplift the spirit. This bridges the day's clamor to needed tranquility, offering the mind noble nourishment as it eases into sleep. Scattered worries fade, replaced by enriching reflections drifting into dreams. These 12 habits hold no mystery. Their everyday wisdom lived by countless Japanese across eras, often instinctively. Samurai proclaimed excellence, not an occasional feat, but woven habit. Repetition defines identity. No need to embrace them all immediately. Select one, nurture it to naturalness, then layer another. An enduring proverb stays with me: we shape our habits first, thereafter habits shape us. Begin modestly. Exercise patience. Rely on the quiet force of steady practice. Thank you sincerely for journeying with me to the close. May these gentle ways infuse your days with greater serenity and fulfillment as they've enriched mine. Care well for yourself.